friends, what's up? This is Adhika Balari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in my last video I gave you a question. If you remember, you have to take an input from user and that input should be a number, and then you have to print a table of that number in the form of a dictionary. Okay, and the keys should be ranging from 1 to 10. So let's see the solution of this problem. Okay, so here we will write num is equals to int input and then enter the number. Okay, so here we are asking for the input and then the input will be converted into integer. Now we will make an empty dictionary. Okay, now after this we'll use for loop. So for I in num, here we will write range. Okay, so range 1 comma 11. So as you know that this for loop will work till 1 to 10, right? Because it will be number minus 1 here, right? So that's why we have written 11. Now after this we'll write d and then we will put square brackets and then we will put I, because we want this range to be the key, right? And then after this we will give the value to be number multiply by I. Okay, and now after this we'll print our final dictionary. So that's it. Okay, so first let me run the program and show you. So here if I enter 2, see, wait a second, yeah, see, 1 is the key and 2 is the value. 2 is the key, 4 is the value, 3 is the key, 6 is the value, and so on. So the keys are ranging from 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 10. And the values are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. As you can see here, it's the table of 2. So here, if you'll see, in first line we are asking for the input and in second line we have made an empty dictionary. Now when this for loop will work, it will work till 10. So the range will be 1 to 10 only. So as you can see in fifth line, here as you can see the number 5th. So in fifth line we are adding the values. Hope you remember that how to add the values to a dictionary, right? So here we are adding the value. So d and then inside square brackets we used to give the keys, right? So here I have given the key as I. So when the for loop will work first time, the value of I will be 1. So the key will be 1 and the value will be number multiply 1. So the number as I have entered is 2. So it will multiply by 2 multiply by 1. So the key will be 1 and the value will be 2 ones 2. Okay. Now when the for loop will work second time, the value of I will be 2. So the 2 will be the key and then the value will be 2, that is the number that user has input entered. Okay, multiply by 2, that's the value of I. So 2 2's 4. So the key will be 2 and the value will be 4, and so on. And at the end it will print the whole dictionary. Let me show it to you once again. So here if I entered 5, you'll see the table of 5 has been printed, and you can print the table of any number. Suppose it's 25, so you'll see it's 25's table, right? So hope this program is clear to you. See you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session.